Welcome to our troubleshooting guide for the Nayati Gas Tilting Pan. In this video, we will diagnose and solve two common issues. First, when the unit has power but won't ignite, and second, when the pilot flame lights but won't stay on. Let's diagnose our first problem. The symptom is this: the unit has power and the electric tilting mechanism works correctly, but when you try to ignite the pilot, nothing happens. The ignition switch doesn't spark and the thermostat indicator lights do not turn on. This points to a specific safety device.
The cause is almost always a tripped safety thermostat, also known as the high limit switch. This device is designed to cut power to the entire heating circuit if the temperature exceeds 360 degrees Celsius. Here is the procedure to reset it. Step 1. Wait for the unit to cool down. The high limit switch cannot be reset while it is still hot. You may need to wait for 5 minutes or more. Step 2. Reset the switch. Once the unit has cooled, press the small reset button on the switch firmly until you hear a click.
Step 3. Verify by operation. The simplest way to check if the reset was successful is to try starting the unit again. Attempt to light the pilot flame. If the igniter now sparks and the pilot lights, the problem is solved. Step 4. Confirm a faulty switch. If the unit still doesn't ignite after pressing the reset button, you must confirm if the switch itself is faulty. Use a multimeter set to continuity to check the two terminals. If the switch shows an open circuit even after being reset, the component has failed and must be replaced.
After a successful reset, the ignition system should function normally. The igniter will spark, the pilot will light, and the main burner will operate when the thermostat is turned on. This confirms the tripped high limit was the issue.
Our second problem is when the pilot flame ignites successfully, but it extinguishes the moment you release the gas valve knob, even after holding it for the recommended 1 minute. This indicates a failure in the thermocouple circuit. The thermocouple's job is to confirm a flame is present and safely hold the gas valve open. If this circuit fails, the gas valve will shut as a safety precaution. Here are the three main causes to investigate, in order.
Cause number 1. A loose connection. The most common cause is a loose thermocouple connection at the gas valve. Ensure this connection is snug and tight. Cause number 2. A dirty or weak pilot flame. The tip of the thermocouple must be constantly enveloped in a strong blue pilot flame. If the thermocouple tip or the pilot burner nozzle is dirty with carbon, it can disrupt the flame. Also, if the pilot flame itself is very small and weak, it won't heat the thermocouple properly. Clean both the thermocouple tip and the pilot nozzle area. Cause number 3. Incorrect gas pressure. The most common reason for a weak pilot flame is low input gas pressure. You must check the pressure with a gas manometer. For LPG, the pressure should be stable between 28 and 30 millibars both when the unit is idle and when it is running. If the pressure drops below this, for example to 25 millibars, the pilot flame will be too weak to keep the thermocouple hot and the unit will not stay lit.